Wow, it just quaked. I just quaked my boots, man. Oh my word.
Your mum's like, you've seen her for ages, you're alright.
Did I just see something? Look at the Out5 Productions, a brand new video, and tonight we're at the Manor Fields for tonight's bonfire and fireworks extravaganza on November the 5th, 2023. So before we begin this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. So without further delay, the main event's about to get underway very soon.
Oh man, going back on it. I want out in tomorrow, we're trying to get the council. Come back to where Alex someone's walking on. Daniel, come on here, love. Yeah, I'm just trying to get back on Manor if I can. We're all here a minute, I'm all before.
So it's a bright night.
Were you filming fireworks?
Yes.
I bet they're going to YouTube this later, aren't they?
Obviously.
YouTube man.
I'm a YouTuber. Like my dad after me. Well, let's face it, the main event is soon to commence.
Okay everybody, we're very nearly time for fireworks here this evening and we're hoping that you're all in good voice because our fireworks team are a million miles away. They're almost somewhere down Manchester Road, I think. So, we're going to do a countdown, but it's going to be super loud.
Alright.
We need the firework people to hear us get us going. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 2023 here on Manor Park. It's time for the countdown for fireworks to begin. Let's go loudly from 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! And off we go! And away we go! The fireworks display is well underway! Yeah! Warm welcome to you all on this cold bonfire night here at Manor Fields. So expect some loud bangs along the way, and yeah, it's going to be a crazy night, that's for sure. Oh, they're still going. They're still ongoing. Plenty of time left yet. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? I did not see that one coming. And it's set to 80s and 90s music from an era that I was born in. So I really enjoyed the 90s, mate. Fabulous night so far, but there's plenty more in store for us. You said you wanted a magical night, you got one. I finally get to video some fireworks after a failed attempt on Friday. But I can finally video it today, so that way I wouldn't be left out, you know what I mean? Obviously I did video Illuminate the Gardens to the Botanical Gardens on Friday, so do check out that video if you've got the chance. I'll tell you something, this is a magical night. And here they come again. And the big bangs are back in force. Oh my gosh. They're back and in force. And it's a boom. And a boom again. This is set to music, by the way. We have to do it in sync. Wow. This is beautiful. The most beautiful night I've ever seen. Wow. So to my fellow YouTubers, this one's for y'all. Still ongoing. I know, my hands are a little cold, but I don't care. This is on the clouds. I've got 9 minutes of video time left. Oh yeah. Yes. Here we go. A beautiful night. There we go, kaboom! Yeah. It's booming again. Now that's how you end it on a high. Here we go. I think this might be the finale. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, wait. There's more. And it's off, back with a bang. This is everything that we have wished for. And then some on this night. And there you have it. They're coming back. The big bangs are back again. Not really the finale yet. Well, it's not been the best view in the world. It's still a great night, make no mistake. Wow! Oh, looks magnificent!
Wow!
Oh my word. Wow! Beautiful! Oh, wait! Yes!
Yeah! Why? That's good. Why? Wait, second. Oh, great.
Oh my word!
Great word. Quick. And those. Bang.
Wow!
Hey! It's coming. It's getting closer.
Well, I think, is that it? Is that it? I think that's it. Yes. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Till next time, look up that 5 Productions is over and out. Happy birthday, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.